Hey guys, Myra here. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video that I put out. Like I said, I'm just here to do some motivational talks with you guys and, just share what I do on a day-to-day basis. So the question yesterday, I always do a question of the day, and the question yesterday that I asked was if you had the opportunity to get in front of a group of people, what would that message be that you would try to get across to them? And I love all of the feedback that we got. And if anybody that's watching this video, if you guys want to look at my information, friend me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and go through and answer those questions. Or if you need some motivation, go ahead and friend request me and take a look at those questions, and then you would be able to answer those questions as well each and every day. I love to hear from you no matter where you are in the world, so definitely get in contact with me. Okay. My answer to that was anything is possible. The impossible is possible. And I would also teach the three, in my eyes, the three P's, which I use, which is patience. You must have patience. Nothing is going to happen overnight. Okay, Bill Gates did not become a billionaire overnight. He put in a lot of hard work and effort, and he dropped out of Harvard. So when he dropped out of Harvard, he basically, went into the business venture with Microsoft with barely nothing, and he became so successful in it. Another one was, John Paul, which, whoever uses Paul Mitchell products, he was homeless. He started his business with only $700. $700. And he is a billionaire today. Okay. So whenever you're sitting there and you're thinking, I can't do this, I can't start my own business, this isn't for me, it's just not going to happen, it costs too much, the investment is too high. The only thing you're investing pretty much is yourself. And the only way you're going to conquer your fears is by facing your fears and taking those fears head on and fighting them and just getting over it and doing it. Set a goal for yourself and meet that goal. This is what me and my leaders talk about. We're so passionate. We talk about different things every day that motivate us, and what do we want to be? And we're so much of a unit, and we're so together that, nothing can tear us down, and we're in all walks of life and all across the United States and all across the world. But when we get together for that one moment, it's such an inspiration and so motivating to have such a team, of people behind you telling you that you can do it. You can face your fears. So at the end of the day, when you think that you can't, just remember, you can do anything. Another thing I wanted to bring up, is I'm just sitting here and I'm talking about different people that had nothing and are billionaires, and these are people, you walk into their stores every day. You got Sam Walton, Walmart. How many of you shop at Walmart every single day? There's tons of you that do that. So, Sam Walton didn't sit there and think, no, I can't do it. He went out there and he just did it. Ralph Lauren, you wear his clothes, his cologne, his perfumes, whatever. And the same thing, he just went out and he created something that he believed in and he made it happen. Okay, you're going to come across brick walls, you're going to face them, and you are the only one that can knock those down brick by brick, piece by piece. Okay, and the minute that you get to the top, you're going to be so proud of yourself, and the only thing to fear at the end of the day is fear itself. So think about that. Sit on that for a while. Howard Schultz, Starbucks. I used to work at Starbucks. He had a vision. you know, and he turned around and he took that vision, and everybody goes to Starbucks every day, every morning, right? You know, you go to Starbucks, you get your coffee for your office, or whatever coffee shop you go to. You know, every one of those people had a vision. So if they can do it, you know, if Sam Walton can do it, if Walt Disney could do it, if Steve Jobs could do it, if Bill Gates could do it, if John Paul could do it, why can't you do it? You know, why can't you be successful? Because they were lucky? You think it's because, you know, they just fell on this pot of gold or this pot of luck? They didn't fall on no pot of luck or pot of gold. They didn't have little leprechauns sitting there, you know, giving them wishes, or a genie with a lamp. You know, they were sitting there working with their bare hands. They worked day in and day out. I'm sure Bill Gates, when he was building Microsoft, worked his butt off, you know, before he was able to become a success. And I'm sure the same thing with Sam Walton, the same thing with Walt Disney, the same thing with Ralph Lauren, David Murdoch, Harold Schultz, you know, all the Oprah Winfrey, you know, look at her trials and tribulations. Look at everything that she went through. You know, are you any better than Oprah Winfrey was, you know, back then? You know, or any better than John Paul when he was homeless and he came up with $700 to build an empire, you know, which is what we ladies use today in our hair, Paul Mitchell. So when you guys are sitting there doubting yourselves and you guys are, you know, I can't do this, you know, this isn't for me. And that's whatever you choose to do, you know, this isn't for me. Know that you can do it, because if these big successful people up here did it and they were in the same position you were when they started, you can do it too, guys. You can do it too. There's no excuses. There's no excuses not to be successful, not to succeed, not to push yourself, not to, you know, grow. And I guarantee the more you push yourself to succeed in life, the better you will feel about yourself, you know, these are things that I'm learning, guys, each and every day. And that's the point of these videos. You know, I'm sharing all of this with you because I'm motivated. I believe in myself. You know, I was there not that long ago making $9 an hour. I went from $9 an hour, you know, to $12 an hour to, you know, and now I'm building my own team, and I got, you know, a great company that I work for. And it's absolutely amazing what I'm doing for people each and every day, because I love to help people. And this is why I'm making this video. You know, this is me. This is the real me making a video. This is not a script. I'm not reading something off of a monitor. I'm in my room speaking to you guys. And you can do the same thing for somebody else. You know, and I'm here to help you. If you want my help and you're like, you know, Myra, I just can't talk to this person, or I just can't, you know, be motivational the way you are. Yes, you can. I will show you the way how to be motivational, how to talk to people, how to be successful and succeed in life. And it just, everything starts with you. It starts with you. And once you believe in yourself, anything and everything is possible, guys. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys with that note. And don't forget to check out my question of the day. If you're friends of mine on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, definitely come follow me. My information will be at the bottom for you guys. And you guys have a wonderful day. And until the next video, sayonara.